Hey Jammers, NinjaCode100 here, and today is so exciting because I'll explain it to you. So what happened is in Play Wild, if you play Wild first, you know how you can't actually like talk, like you have to use all the options like bubble chat, and when you try to send the email to the parent, you can change the email. Well, I changed it to my email, and then, so I could control it, and then, what happened, whoops, oh my god, anyway, I said update it and all that, and then, all that, and then I changed it to, I got safe chat because I changed it to safe chat. I don't know what I did with my parents' one because it was verified. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so excited. I was screaming all over the house. Just because I got safe chat. And it is probably the best scene you will ever feel. Because you don't get to... I spelled that wrong. I spelled that. I love spelling things wrong. I know, I always spell things right because, well, apparently to my teacher last year, I was the best speller in the whole class, and I got chosen to be in the high school spelling bee. Even though I'm not in high school, I just go to the high school and spell. And, yeah, I did not win. I love this day. And you can type numbers. And you can't type some things. You can type numbers. Numbers. Oh my. It's easy. I'll explain. Number 1. Go log in to parent dashboard. Number 2. Go on your... Okay, so, I just wanted to tell you that, because, yeah. I am so excited for the new update, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed this short video, of me. I think I was, like, showing off or something. I didn't mean to. If you think I was showing off, I did not mean to. I was just telling you that. Because I do not like showing off in that. But I am really excited from this. Oh. I love this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you did. And you can actually, meet me in Jamar. I will be on, I think, whenever, but sometimes I might not talk because I might be on my tablet and all that. So yeah, if I'm on the computer, I will talk to you always. I will always talk. Whenever you say hello and face me or hey Ninja Kirby 100 or something, I will actually answer you. If I don't answer, it means I'm either on my tablet or I'm just kind of busy. Okay, so that's all. I like holding the buttons, but yeah. Q, X, A, B, C, D. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't think you'll enjoy it because I think I was showing off something. But I'll see you all next week, or maybe when the new update is. You will see me when the update is. I will record. So I'll see you next week or when the update comes. Bye!